It's a completely different way to live. Less clutter, more purpose, and everything right where you need it. Not sure how you host guests, but for one or two people, this is smart. Living here would force me to declutter so hard, but honestly, I think I'd feel lighter for it. The best part is, even though it's compact, it never looks cramped thanks to the windows and smart lighting. Makes me want to throw out half the junk in my apartment. You could vacuum this whole place in 5 minutes flat. There's something about the way tiny houses are designed that just makes you rethink your own space. For example, I noticed how they use magnetic knife racks, vertical shelving. The owner mentioned it took them a month to get used to the small size, but now they say they'd never go back.